Welcome to the Rehm booth here at SMTA Guadalajara. I'm delighted to be joined by Luis Garcia. Great to see you again, Luis.
Thank you, Trevor. Thank you for coming again.
Yeah, well, it's nice to be
always
here.
see you here is very special. I am happy to get you in our booth.
Yeah, so I mean, it's been a big year for Rehm because you opened a new factory actually, building
Yes.
a few miles away from here. Tell us a little bit about that building. How big is it? Where is it exactly? And what do you plan to do with it?
Okay. And what happened at the same time that we get 10 years in Mexico, Rehm. Then for celebrate this, Mr. Rehm say we need a bigger building to get better support.
Okay.
And before we were renting, now we purchase a big building. For us is 1,200 square meters.
Wow.
It's a good building.
Yep.
Where we grow our capabilities for spare parts depot, for demonstrations of equipment. We have a very nice demo room. And we opened this building in July 3 to the customers when Mr. Rehm was here.
Yep.
And we make a big important celebration with conferences. But the goal of this, the basic is to give a best support our customers, because Rehm, we don't only do the best machines, but it's not good to have only a good machine if you don't have the best support.
You're going to have the support. You're going to have the training and the service engineers there as well. So you're going to obviously have training facilities there, spare parts for your machines, and I guess it'll also give you the ability to hold stock as well.
Oh yes, it's one of the near future plans is to see what is our market expecting, and then in ahead we can bring some machines on stock.
Right.
Then we can have a faster delivery.
Faster delivery. Okay.
And at the same time, we pretend to have technology days, if possible, yearly basis with experts from Germany.
Yeah.
Then here we can receive in a yearly basis good conference with the latest information to our customers in Mexico.
Okay. So how do you find, I mean, the first half of the year, I think for everybody here in Mexico was a little bit slow. Automotive was back a bit, but it seems to be turning the corner a bit. It seems to be that things are getting a bit busier towards the end of the year. What is your view?
I totally agree with that view, because have not been last months have not been easy in the market because the international situations that we have now.
Yep.
But I agree with you that the corner is very close, because we see here in the event in the SMTA we have received some customers interested in some specific machines, because the new projects that are coming in the next months or the beginning of the 2026, they require better technology, or they require specific points. And I really agree with this. This is changing, and we will have better months coming soon.
Good. I mean, what is your lead time at the moment, for bringing ovens over from Germany?
If the machine is ready in Germany, to be here, we take around 4 weeks. 4 weeks, plus the importation. But authorities now are becoming more complicated. We could take 2 or another 3 weeks in the importation. It's becoming hard. But then that's why we are planning to have a stock here in Mexico to have a better answer.
That makes sense. So your particular territory here is Mexico and Costa Rica. Is that correct?
Yes, we support on sales Mexico and Costa Rica, but our service engineers give support Costa Rica, Mexico, and USA even.
Okay.
We can give service support because the hourly time is the same, and our engineers have the capability to support our engineers.
Okay.
If needed to local assistant, next day the engineer can be there to solve the issue.
Excellent. Okay. So I know Rehm is always one of the most innovative companies. Can we expect to see a lot of new things coming out for the productronica later in the year?
Oh, sure.
Yeah.
First, let me tell you that in SMTA we are showing to our customers that we have, for example, this is our VXC. For many customers in Mexico, it's new because they don't know that we have very good basic machines
Yeah.
with a very good point of view on price, and the technology and the characteristics are very great. And we have in our demo room now, we are showing here, and we have a dispensing machine here in Mexico. We are showing the new valve that is going to be presented in Productronica, but we have already in Mexico.
Okay.
It's a new valve called Hurricane.
Okay.
That we have more capabilities in our dispensing machines.
Okay, that's great. I mean, so the oven you're showing behind us is one of your lower cost ones for this market, but as you said, the quality of the manufacturing, the quality of the product is just as good as any of the high-end machines that you have in your portfolio. Coming to the valve you've got in your dispenser, what type of valve is it that you're
This is because some new products, new materials for dispensing are very liquid, are almost like the water.
Yes.
And then our previous dispensing valves have no the capability to handle.
Capability.
With this new valve, we can handle these new
low viscosity?
low viscosity materials. Then we now we've covered the full range
Yeah.
for SMT
For SMT.
on our protector machine.
Right.
And we, when the opening, we had here the expert from this machine, and that's why we had the opportunity to show this valve before any other site. And now will be the chance for Productronica, but we were first.
You were first. Well, that's great to hear that, Luis. Well, I hope you keep having many more firsts here in Mexico, and the business grows. And maybe one day we'll see some manufacturing in that factory, will we?
That is a possibility.
Yeah?
That's a possibility
Okay.
that Mr. Rehm has on mind, but
Yeah.
we will see.
Okay. We'll watch that space. But thank you for telling us, giving us an update today.